The Expandable Garden Hose 50 feet is a game-changer for anyone who wants a hassle-free watering experience. Whether you are watering your garden, washing your car, or cleaning off the patio, this hose is designed to make the job easier and more efficient. This 50-foot hose is made with a 4-layer latex core and durable 3/4-inch solid fittings, which means it is built to last and can handle regular use without leaking or bursting. The materials are high quality and the design allows the hose to expand up to 3 times its original length when in use and retract back when the water is turned off, making it easy to store and carry. The hose comes with a 10-function spray nozzle offering options like mist, shower jet, and more, so you can switch modes based on the task at hand. The nozzle is comfortable to hold and easy to control, giving you more precision and versatility when watering your plants or washing down surfaces. One of the best parts about this hose is how lightweight and flexible it is. Unlike traditional hoses that kink and tangle, this one moves smoothly around corners and obstacles without any frustration. It is ideal for small yards, large gardens, and even for people who may have difficulty handling heavier hoses. The black and green color gives it a sleek look and it blends well with any outdoor setup. If you are looking for a durable, easy-to-use and compact garden hose, this is a solid choice that offers real value. If you are ready to upgrade your garden tools or need a reliable hose for your outdoor chores, check out the link in the description below and get one for yourself today.